How to repeat a song on YouTube TV. YouTube TV doesn't have a built-in repeat function for videos, but you can loop a song or video with the following workarounds. Method 1. Use the playlist feature. Add the song to a playlist. While the song is playing, navigate to the Save or Add to Playlist option and create a new playlist or add it to an existing one. Play the playlist. Open the playlist containing the song. Enable repeat mode. Use the Repeat Playlist option, which will loop the playlist even if it contains just one song. Method 2. Use the YouTube app on another device. Open YouTube on a smartphone or computer. Launch the YouTube app or website on your phone or computer. Play the song and enable loop. Play the song, right-click on desktop, or tap the More Options menu on mobile and select Loop Video. Cast to YouTube TV. Tap the cast icon and choose your TV to play the repeated video on your YouTube TV. Method 3. Manually replay the song. Use remote controls. At the end of the song, press the rewind or play again option using your remote to replay the video. These methods will let you repeat a song on YouTube TV for continuous playback.